Hi guys! My video for today is about surface area of solids. Surface area is defined as the sum of the areas of the outer surfaces of a solid. Let's have first the surface area of a cube. So surface area of a cube is given by surface area or SA equals 6S squared. So the cube looks like this. So this is a cube here and all of the sides here measures 5 centimeters. Now, if we're going to find the surface area of this cube, we're going to use the formula SA equals 6S squared. Then, SA equals 6 times 5 centimeters squared, the length of the side. Then, we're going to have here SA equals 6 times 5 centimeters squared is 25 centimeter squared. Then we're going to have surface area equals 6 times 25, that will be 150 cm squared. The next one is the surface area of a rectangular prism. So it is given by SA equals 2LW plus 2HW plus 2HL. So L here stands for the length. This is the length here. Then W is for the width and H is for the height of the rectangular prism. So in this formula here, you can also have this formula as 2 times the quantity of LW plus HW then plus HL, because 2 here is common in each term. Now, for example, if we're going to have this rectangular prism here, we can have the length as 8. For example, this is 8 centimeters. And the width as 5 centimeters. And the height equals 4 cm. So we can solve that one using this formula. So we're going to have 2 times the length is 8 centimeters. So 8 cm times the width 5 cm. Then plus the height 4 cm times the width 5 cm. Then this is plus height, which is 4 cm. Then times the length, which is 8 cm. Then 8 cm times 5 cm will be 40 cm squared. Then 4 cm times 5 cm is 20 cm squared. Then 4 times 8 will be 32 cm squared. Then adding the 3, 40 plus 20 is 60 plus 32, that will be 92 centimeters squared. Then multiplying the 2 times 92 cm squared, the answer here will be 184 centimeter squared. So this is your surface area. Next one is surface area of a right square pyramid. Now this is the pyramid here. So this is a square pyramid, so the base is square. So this is the length of the base, S. Then this one is the slant height, or L. Now the formula is given by S squared, the square of, or the area of the base, plus 4 S times L over 2, because there are 4 triangles here. So S times L divided by 2. Now, we can have this one as S squared plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you're going to have here 2 times S times L. Now, for example, if we're going to have the base here, S equals 3 centimeters, and slant height L equivalent to 5 centimeters. In solving the surface area, we're going to use this formula here, S squared. So S squared, 3 is the value of S, so we're going to have 3 centimeter squared. Then plus 2 times S here is 3 centimeters, then times slant height L equals 5 centimeters. So we're going to have here 3 centimeters squared is 9 centimeters squared. Then plus 2, 3 cm times 5 cm, that would be 15 cm squared. Then this is 9 cm squared plus 2 times 15 will be 30 cm squared. Then adding the 2, the result here is 39 centimeter squared. Next is surface area of a right circular cylinder. So this is the cylinder here, this is the height, and this is the radius. Now the formula is given by SA equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, or SA equals 2 pi r times the quantity of r plus h. Now for example, if the height of this cylinder is equivalent to 20 centimeters and the radius equals 5 centimeters. So in solving the surface area, we're going to use this formula here. Surface area equals 2 pi r times the quantity of r plus h. Then this is 2 pi times the radius, which is 5 centimeters. So we're going to have here times 5 cm, then times the radius here is 5 cm plus the height, which is 20 cm. Then 5 cm plus 20 cm will be 25 cm. So we're going to have here 2 pi times 5 cm times 25 centimeters. Then 5 cm times 25 cm, this is equivalent to 125 cm squared. So we're going to have here 2 pi times 125 cm squared. Then 125 cm squared times 2, that will be 250 pi, then cm squared. Next is the surface area of a right circular cone. So this is the right circular cone here. This is the slant height, or L, and this is the radius. Now the formula is given by SA equals pi r squared plus pi r L. For example, if we're going to have the slant height here equals 7 centimeters and the radius here equals 3 centimeters, we can have the surface area of this cone as pi times radius is 3, so 3 cm squared, then plus pi times 3 centimeters, the radius, times the slant height, which is 7 centimeters. Then this is pi. 3 cm squared is 9 cm squared, so times 9 cm squared. Then this is plus pi. Then 3 times 7 is 21, so times 21 cm squared. So 9 cm squared times pi is 9 pi centimeter squared. Then this is 21 pi centimeter squared. Then 9 plus 21 is 30. Then pi cm squared. The last one is the surface area of a sphere. So this is a sphere here, and this is the radius. Now the surface area of the sphere is given by SA equals 4 pi r squared. Now, for example, if the radius here is equivalent to 6 centimeters, we can have its surface area as SA equals 4 pi then times 6 centimeter squared. Then 6 centimeter squared is equivalent to 36 cm squared. Then 36 times 4 is 144. So we're going to have 144 pi cm squared. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.